Let's bring it to Gauteng now, because the private prosecution case of former President Jacob Zuma against his successor Cyril Ramaphosa has been postponed to the 6th of August. That's as the former president still has pending appeals that need to be concluded in the matter for it to be heard in the criminal court. Let's take you back to what took place inside the High Court in Johannesburg earlier today.
In this matter then of Jacob Zuma in his capacity as private prosecutor versus Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa accused, the following order has been reached between counsel and the private prosecutor. Having heard counsel for the private prosecutor, it is ordered that 1, the criminal proceedings are hereby postponed to the 6th of August 2024. 2, the private prosecutors shall at that stage appraise the court regarding any developments in the matter. So ordered.
All right, so there you have it. A brief order it was inside court, but it seems the former president has a lot to say outside. He's still addressing his supporters. Let's listen in.
Abaholi impela abakhona bebele phezulu bangase bekhale phansi ngoba abayenzi lento esiyifunayo. Sifuna abantu base South Africa nina ukusebenzela nina hayi ukusebenzela thina. Khuluma baba. Sizwana. Ingakho nje from time to time ilokhu senza ama announcement ukuthi lo sisamkhiphi senza ukuthi kwabanye sobachaza ezizweni ukuthi sebenzeni ukuthi benze kanjani. Kukhona into lapha ukukhulunywa ngayo kuthiwa yini iphala what structure parallel structure khona into esidumile kuthiwa khona ama-parallel structures. Abantu bakhona kuthiwa abanye sebephatha nje ibhamu badlala ngezulu ngezulu lezandla. Nangu sesolazi kahle ngezulu lezandla. Ngifuna nazi kahle asiyona le nhlobo ebikhona yama-political parties. Senye inhlobo sifuna ukuhamba ngale ndlela sifuna ukuhamba ngayo. Abantu abaneyinkani iqhwaga efuna ukuthatha ikhundla ngenkani. Sorry awunanga ngifundisa askis yafunda. Ngifuna nje ukuba nokwazi lokho ukuthi sathi istructure ezikhona okwamanje interim structures are interim. They can't be anything else. They are not permanent. They are interim. Umunikezwe leso sikhundla bonisa ukusebenza kwakho kahle ukuze sibone ukuthi ungaphatha lo naku-permanent. Uma umosha kwa-interim kubeke phi ke mase ku-permanent? Usuthi ngakhethwa mina. Sizwana? Siyabonga. Kodwa sifuna ukuthi nazi into eyabangela ukuthi senze lokho. Sifuna ukuwina ngokugcwele 2/3 majority. Uma sesiqedile sakho umbutho onenhlonipho, ohlonipha abantu abadala, ohlonipha isizwe. Umuntu omnyama. Nesihlonipha umuntu omnyama. Khulumile baba. Unenhlonipho njengomuntu omnyama. Yebo. Ebese sishintsha izinto eSouth Africa. Iphele lento ukuthi umuntu omnyama uhlala e-township. Kube kukhona isiti ekhuzana. Isiti kanti yakheloba. I-township ibantu stand. Nangoke usifundiswa sami sithi uthi i-township ibantu stand. I-township ibantu stand. Awu ngiyabonga mfowethu. Wanginikeze lihle. Usudla kuhlala khona abantu. It's a Bantu area. Isiphelile ki-apartheid makunjalo.
All right, former President Jacob Zuma there speaking to party supporters outside the High Court in Johannesburg. shooting the breeze, it appears, as he interacts with some supporters about some of the issues inside the MK party. I mean, there have been all kinds of questions raised, for example, about the leadership structure within MK, and he's now provided, I suppose, a semblance of clarity that the structures that they have, scant as they may be, are only interim structures. He also spoke about some people being dismissed or expelled from the organization, saying that this is in relation with so-called parallel structures, it appears, that are being set up. He's a bit cryptic, if you ask me, but also giving an assurance to his supporters there that there'll be a whole lot more clarity forthcoming in the near future, I suppose. But we do know that, for example, Bonginkosi Khanyile has been removed as the president of the Youth League of the MK Party. That's news that emerged earlier this week. And it was a very brief statement from the organization, no reasons being given. Former President Jacob Zuma there saying that those reasons are still forthcoming. We'll keep one ear listening in to what else he has to say. Certainly get you a sense of what it is if we find it newsworthy.